volcano to the...
Hi, my name is Thunder.
Hi, my name is Nino.
Today we are going to make the volcano erupt.
What do you have, Nino? We have baking soda, vinegar, and food color.
We're going to pour the baking soda and the vinegar inside the volcano.
Let's do it.
We're going to put red food coloring in the vinegar and stir it.
We mix the vinegar and the red fruit color. Now we're gonna put the baking soda inside the volcano.
We're going to pour the vinegar in the volcano. 3, 2, 1, go.